The 2015 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and rear side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.